consenting information ukuthi bantu bayathukwa. If we're able to have those relationships, we can use their systems ukuthi bantu babambe masinyane ngoba bona basebenzisa lama IPP addresses. So bona bangasitshela masinyane ukuthi ivulwe ngibani le account uhlala kuphi wendani. That's why it's so important lokuthi ngisibambise lokuthi we bring in these global hyperscalers. It's a difficult process lokuthi labantu sibasome sibozama lokuthi noma singakajabulisi singakhulumi ngendlela ukuthi make them unhappy ngoba kunama unintended consequences sometimes chair. Lapha njena Google is the biggest in the world. Sikhuluma ngabo TikTok, sikhuluma ngabo Facebook, bonke basesha kulo Google. Uma sesingababambisi kahle, nonke nama Gmail email accounts, bangawadonsa labo babacishe. Lenkulumo lesichubekisa. Nonke niyasesha through Google. Nanifuna kwathi ukuthi sabana bekuphendla nabani nalo msisi wakhe waselibombo. Nonke niyasesha ngithi nisisheshe lapho. Bangacisha konke lokho. Le YouTube leni bantu banibuka kuyo nabangakabuki TV babuka ema proceedings netindzaba bangacisha lokho. Kulo Google long $3 trillion as a market cap. Ukucisha eSwatini akusini indaba zalutho. Baya let inkulumo sesolo sithi banjani bayadiva nabo. Kulamalanga njena vele it's not a happy situation for us. Labanye ke bo Facebook bo Meta who own Facebook nabo Instagram babukile ukuthi what are we doing? How are we treating the first one to come here? Labanye labafuna ukuthi sikhulume nabo. They are saying to us, no, let's watch how this Google thing pans out. If we don't have the Gmail addresses, if we don't have the search, if we don't have the capacity to get the YouTube, how do we monetize? Then becomes an issue. Google is the biggest monetizer through YouTube.
Indvuna yetemfundvo